Hello and welcome back to OndsGarden. Now if you haven't been before, my name's Ond. This is my indoor garden and it's a bit of an ongoing project, but we're getting there. We're just having a chilling day today because, you know, we've had storms outside and get into autumn and winter, so we're in that kind of mood where we just need to chillax for a bit and just cool down. So today I'm just going around and I'm going to soak my Tillandsia Usneoides, otherwise known as old man's beard or Spanish moss. Spanish moss comes from Southern America. You'll find it there draped over the tree branches, long silver strands with a ghostly appearance wafting in the breeze. Spanish moss isn't actually Spanish, and it's not even a moss. Actually, it's a bromeliad. This means that it's related to plants such as the pineapple. And because it lives in branches, it doesn't have any roots. Instead, it absorbs moisture and humidity and nutrients from the air that blows over its tiny, specialized scales on its leaves called trichomes. This makes Spanish moss an epiphyte, a plant that thrives on other plants but doesn't take anything from them. It's perfectly adapted to life hanging in the air. So how do you look after this plant? Well, watering. The best method is to soak the plant in a bowl of rainwater or distilled water for about 15 minutes. Or you can just mist it regularly. I'm actually using tap water here, which is not ideal, but it's okay. Occasionally, what I'm going to do is I'm going to dunk it into my fish tank. That way it can get all the nutrients it needs as well at the same time. For light, you need to place it in a bright location with indirect light. Too much sun can scorch it, but in the UK I don't think that's going to be a problem. Keep it in a warm room. Average household temperature should be fine. Don't let it go below 10 degrees C and you should be okay. If you're getting crispy brown tips on your plant, then it needs some water. So I have a couple of new plants that I want to show you. One of them is an Anthurium dark form, forgetii, and that's crossed with Goliath. And I'm really excited to know what it's going to turn out like because I haven't done any peeking and I don't exactly know what I'm going to get at the end of it. So really looking forward to seeing what this is going to be like. But if I zoom in a bit closer, what you'll see is we've already got a tiny little leaf. Now look at this leaf. Look at the colour of this leaf. Isn't it gorgeous? Yep. Looking forward to seeing what this turns into. Very excited. The other plant that I've got is a Philodendron splendid. Now it's very difficult to see what it looks like on camera because one, I'm losing the light, and two, it's just not as good as seeing it in real life. So I advise you get one of these yourself so you can see it how I'm seeing it. But basically we've got a nice velvety leaf going to grow big and strong. So again, I'm looking forward to seeing what this one looks like. Real excited. I'll keep you updated in future videos, so subscribe if you want to see more of OndsGarden. And I think pretty soon we're going to be chopping down the Paulinia, so that'll probably be a video next just to see how big it's got this year. So thanks again for watching this video all the way to the end. If you managed to get here, you are awesome. Well done. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one. In the meantime, just take it nice and easy.